Good day. Today I will present a traffic engineering analysis of the intersection of P. Burgos Street and Rizal Avenue located in Poblacion, Batangas City. This intersection was selected because it represents typical urban Philippine intersection with mixed traffic conditions including pedestrians, motorcycles, jeepneys, tricycles, and private vehicles. This intersection is located in a commercial district within the city center. It connects Rizal Avenue, a primary corridor, with P. Burgos Street, which serves mixed residential and commercial establishments. The area contains stores, transport stops, and small offices, which generate constant pedestrian and vehicle movement. This intersection is a four-leg signalized junction. During observation, I identified the following road users: pedestrians, motorcycles, jeepneys, and tricycles, including private cars and delivery vehicles. The motorcycle frequently filters between lanes. Jeepney stops near the corner to load. Passengers, pedestrian cross both at marked and unmarked areas. The intersection has approximately 2 lanes per direction, but effective width is reduced by roadside parking. Also, there are no dedicated left turn lanes and no pedestrian refuge islands. Public utility vehicles often load passengers near the intersection, reducing traffic capacities and increasing side friction. At the P. Burgos Street Rizal Avenue intersection, traffic is managed using traffic signals, proper signage, and traffic enforcers. Traffic signals control when vehicles stop and helping reduce conflicts. Road signs and pavement marking guide drivers and pedestrians. During BCRs, traffic police enforcers assist in directing traffic and maintaining order at the intersection. A stand for leg intersection has up to 32 vehicles conflict points, including crossing, merging, and diverging points. The most critical conflicts are crossing points in the center of the intersection. Turning vehicles conflict with pedestrians at corner areas. Motorcycles merging between vehicles also create potential side-swipe conflicts. This overlapping movement increases collision risk and delay. From a human behavior perspective, driver must make rapid decisions due to congestions and mixed traffic. Visual distraction from commercial signage and roadside activities reduce perception reaction time. Also, the pedestrian rely on gap acceptance rather than protected crossings, increasing exposure to risk. The intersection design places high cognitive demands on users. Mixed traffic significantly affects performance. Motorcycle increase maneuverability but reduce predictability. The jeepney frequently stopping cause shockwave congestions. Tricycle operates at lower speeds, creating speed differentials. This variation reduces the effectivity in intersection, capacity, and cause unstable flow conditions. The surrounding commercial environment increases pedestrian activity and roadside friction. Billboard parks, vehicles, and vendors create visual clutter and limit sight distance. This urban setting reduces the efficiency of the traffic control devices and increases operational complexity. Designated jeepney and tricycle loading. PUVs often stop near the intersection, blocking lanes and causing congestions. Move loading and unloading zones 20 to 30 meters away from the intersection with clear signs and pavement markings. Removing roadside friction improves capacity, traffic flow, reducing conflict points, and delays. The expected improvement are smoother traffic flow, safer passenger boarding, reduced congestions, and sudden braking.